Now this is prophecy positive and profitable. We are saying, watch you know. I want to check out JS's YouTube channel and for all news, reviews, interviews. And that's right there, man. I swear and I honor, JS's will find a way to bring you more news and views, man. YouTube, man. JS's.
Wagwan J Squad, this is your boy G and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Now today we're going to be having our Jamaica Day celebration and we are blessed by 2 international artists. So just check it out guys and enjoy to the end.
Go baby, just take it slow baby. Alright, yeah baby, yeah baby, yeah baby. No baby, no baby, no, don't go baby. Just take it slow, baby. If you don't understand it now, in the further future you will. Because you're going to be hearing them in your eyes. So I know that you will understand. You know what I mean? As I would say. So give me music, Rasta. I'm saying for my people. Yes, Rasta. All the black people that belong to Africa.
And I said too many war will only complicate the mind. Yes, I said too little love in this world, mankind. And I said too many war will only segregate mankind. And don't come tell like that you try, and I cry when you lie. And don't come tell like that you sorry when you fail mankind. Don't bother tell us that you try, and I cry when you lie. And don't come tell like that you sorry when you fail mankind. I give me a round of applause at school. I love this school.
Around 40% of the planet's wealth, something is wrong. And I said in a world where more than 50% of the world's population earn and live on less than $2 per day, something is wrong. Now clear if we're all a part of the problem, we need to be a part of the solution. It's you and I are the carriers and donors of our own self-destruction, still we're the conquerors. So me the most high Jah, still I say cut and clear, bless us. White House, how we doing? How you doing, White House? It's primary, give me some clappings, come on. Oh no, why? Clappings! Hey, I want someone here must can't keep still for the thing there. I don't know. I don't want the album, but we want to keep them busy, see them we are doing. Which one that? Turn it up, man. Turn it. Hey, fire go burn. Here we got to turn. But like you wait and learn. I stand for my people concerned. It's from the outer streets. Yes, I want to wait. Got to find a solution. Can't keep still. Now they go places that don't fit me. No, now keep still. So we not stop with the root Babylon and tea. No way. The chaka chaka down the yard, there is no smile up and no face. I take a look for the poor and a pity, no food, no in a dead place. Johnny the youth say we young and talented, a business them a penetrate. And to the pressure we have been, it a blow up we go. So we not keep still. So we not linger that rope with me. No, can't keep still. So we not stop with the loot Babylon and team. No, cause fire go burn. Table got to turn. But the line you better learn. As I go my people concerned, things from their house and streets. Cause I'm up to the sea. Got to find a solution. Hold on. We be taking for granted what I want and the effort we put in and we discriminating. Then another thing could be a failure. We find them not to be motivated to go and go on. He said the little city when we left over my yard. Oh Lord, rocky two side of the middle of the road. But I don't play around on the road. Oh Jah, Yes, fire go burn. Table got to serve. Babylon you better learn. As I come and be concerned, things up the streets. Dance around. Hold up. Alright. Me like that. Alright, one thing in life with you I want to sing for the ladies, cause even the young lady if you know say Father's love. As mommy always say, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And sometimes the crime might not be happening in White Houses right here, but it's happening in a town I want to see on the TV. It is so horrific, it kind of traumatizes you. So we don't want no crime nowhere. Now what me I say to all of the kids in the school, they want to go home, tell mommy, say, mommy, today I see your artist name, Prophecy. What is your artist name? What is your artist name? Now tell mommy say they must call the radio station for your song name Nobody Bags Up Prophecy Sing. What is the song name? Nobody Bags, because we don't want no crime in Jamaica or in our community, right? And tell mommy say call the radio station or go on the YouTube and select it and play it, make you hear. See? So right now me have a really deploy a song for really governor. Now give me a round of applause, man. It was nice being here. Yeah, man, I'll squeeze out and I'm going to watch it out. Right, Nobody Bags Rastafari. Yeah, man. Better. Enjoy your life from up there. Can you understand? I people enjoy your life from up there. I say take keep stone that you have already keep so I will drive the seas. Oh yes. I gave you both the sound at church and say to white the banner. I want to spread over do it. Let's try your life again. Can you understand? I people try your life again. I say tell him so that you have already killed so I will drive the seas. Oh yes. I beg you both the sound and church of state to once the banner of Israel. What the leaders of the world to exercise justice, yeah. These are the ones to see my innocent people get caught in the street. I see you run by on, then I find a way. They like my people, so they can make it true. I see run by on, then I find a way. They like my people, so they can make it. Nobody wants, nobody wants, nobody wants, nobody wants, yes. No, it's crafty when she be them closer. Yes, I don't want it, nobody wants, nobody wants, nobody wants, yes. No, it's crafty when she be them closer. Then I keep back the last two nights, and then I see the roots them there. This is the time out of 10 times, get them cool and you fall out. Just imagine shut up that one from my job for rally back a few days, my non-style confused. I make it even on for right myself to make a decision. See, I don't want to see nobody else. I don't hear a sing. Nobody wants, yes. No, it's something what she with them total. Yes, I don't want it. Nobody wants, yeah. Yes, I clap for the step, 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 I love it. No, hey, Jenny. Destin, what love that name? Shane, what the man of the brain? What's your name, sir? It's the Songster. Oh, your future is high like a monster. Miss Douglas. Woo! Hey, listen to me, man. I want to stop you with what's your name? Miss Gillins. Alright, anything coming here with your Gillins? What? Christina Moore. Miss Moore, you're going to have education and fly all the way. Let me see your face. Yes, Celeste. Are you? How do you go? Stand up proud. What is your name? Jadine. The queen from the scene now. Huh? Kendra. Hey. What's your name? Godfather. Hey! I like you. You're old before you're young, so I stay right as a Godfather. That's what you know you should say. What is your name? Mrs. Jones. You govern the town. What's your name, sir? What's your name? Oh my God, what's your name? I just been all day. What's your name? Oh, there, Chanel. Alright, alright, hold on. What's your name?
J. Jones.
Alright, let me see how the kids them doing exam. Who's gonna be doing exam? Alright. I wish you all the best. Let me say this, I wish you all the best. And let me tell you now again, you are the future stars, musician, you are the future teacher, sing, you are the future doctor, you are the future prime minister. You have to come do it, you know. Yeah man, you have to come be the people and the persons who society asks of. Sing. So let's go and live up and watch the prophecy come true to the scene. And beg your next round of applause and say prophecy! Say Jah General! Alright, love it, yeah? You're my new found love. One way to face my life and make it better. Baby, oh yeah. Hey, got more profound love. You're my African pride and it's all that matters. Oh baby, yeah. Now if I tell you the woman in my life, would you believe me? Share between me and you, love knows no bound, you know it's true. When I speak of love, love not till listen. Ooh, if that's for woman, I knew found love. One way base my life and make it better. Oh baby, ain't that more profound love? You're my African pride and it's all that matters. Oh baby, you're like the moon and the stars in the sky that's always shining. And you're like the pure water that flows from the fountain. A passionate are the desires I place on you. Oh, yeah. No matter how you try to resist, it's in you. Oh, yeah. In life, everyone on the... Hey, let me see some hands in the air. Wait for the one now. This is how reggae music is, right? So you don't know I love you in a White House until you meet again. It's prophecy in your house, you know. And you always tune in, just go on the computer or the laptop and tell mommy say I want to listen to some prophecy reggae music. So you can all go to prophecy reggae music on Facebook. You can punch in and go to prophecy reggae music on Instagram. You can like and subscribe and you can be my fan, right? And next year I'll be here again to give us enough more fun and try and laugh. See? What Emmanuel I still see I Jah? Tell me it again. Say White House's primary was a joy.